Hello, everybody. This is Thalia today talking about how my songs are flourishing all over the globe. When I'm communicating about it, how my songs are flourishing all over the globe. All over the globe, my songs are flourishing so powerfully, so powerfully, so powerfully. My songs are flourishing globally. It's so grateful to divine universe that my voice reached to billions, trillions of years globally and beyond this earth. And beyond this earth. I'm saying it's beyond this earth. My voice reached beyond this earth. Okay? My voice reached beyond this earth. It's very powerful. Each infinite drops of water, dust, sand, even aliens of the other earth, other universe, other galaxies, other things is whole universe. It's the song of universe comes from universe, stays in the universe and the whole globe. It's so powerful, it's so dynamic, it's so infinity. It's created with empathy, delicacy by Thailier. The songs are created with empathy, delicacy with Thailier. It's so enthusiastic. I'm saying it's so enthusiastic. What happens? It is listened in other galaxies, other earths, other universes. Okay, the song that I made is listened in other earth, other universes, other places, means everywhere. In dimensions, Homo sapiens, Homo neanderthalensis, Homo diensis are listening to my songs in a very powerful way. They're listening my songs in a very powerful way in the dimensions, and they're the vibration that my songs are generating is powerful. It's powerful of the powerful of the powerful of the powerful of the powerful. It's gigantic of the gigantic of the gigantic of the gigantic of the gigantic. It just purify the whole environment where the Homo sapiens are living. There are only positive energy. What is about energy? They're living in dimension. Their body is totally changed. They're imbibed with technology. If Tyler wants, they're imbibed with technology or so on. Okay, it's totally changed. They're totally changed. They're totally different. Okay, so aliens have, when I'm talking about the Humangosaur from the Ben 10 also listen to my song. When I'm communicating about it, Humangosaur listen to my songs. And where listening my songs in a beat of other dimensions, galaxies sitting in a galaxy's wave. In that wave, Humangosaur touches that Thailier has made something here in here. Okay, Thailier's song reaches to other galaxies. Even Humangosaur listened it, and Humangosaur said to the Ben 10 that, "Hey, your songs are so something. Make more new type of songs." As the song's vibrations reaches to ears of Humangosaur Ben 10, they feel that OMG, this is amazing. The songs are amazing. The songs are dynamic. The songs are something different. Something called what? The songs are something called something powerful, something called powerful the songs are. Okay, so when it transcend all the dimensions in this earth, the whole songs are transcend from all the dimensions of the earth, all the water, air, earth, everywhere the song is flourished, everywhere the humans, Homo sapiens, the aliens, the other earth creature, other beings, everything which not living, what is not living, everybody is living here, everybody listen to it, everybody listen to it, leaving malwares. Okay, so when I'm talking about malware, what is malware? Since a year and 2 months and 18, 19 days, malwares, just the word is coming F. Everything gonna solve by divine universe. Okay, so it's flourishing everywhere. Water called me yesterday and said, "I have listened to your song." And Water said to me, "OMG, you have." I said to him, "Water, that you have listened to my song." Oh, Water is saying, "Yes, I have listened to your song. It's very powerful. It's very powerful. Your songs are very loving. You're very so powerful songs are." Water is saying to me, Tyler. And thereafter, Fire also listened to my song. Thereafter, a different alien being from a different earth who teleported to me and start with the teleportation technique. With the teleportation of the other earth, the aliens start to communicate with me and say, we have listened to your songs. It's amazing. From the other galaxies, from the other places, the aliens are listening to my song. It's very powerful, it's very dynamic, it's very powerful, it's very dynamic. Okay, so Amalander Humangosaur also listened to my song. Why? The head. Amalangdar Humongosaur, listen to the song by Head. It's amazing because the creature is the Amalangdar Humongosaur from the verses of other dimensions, other universes, other places of the earth, other clusters of the earth, other places, other dimensions, other corners or the nooks of the earth universe. They also listen to my song and they say, "Oh, we are feeling it like what?" In Silent, what happens? Syria remoting to the new vocals, which perform the humongous or roar in the silence place with no density of all. Means you can understand what I am going to say in this phenomena. When there is no density, if anybody roars in the density, the roar goes to where? The roar goes to where? The roar goes to where? That time humongous earth is roaring in somewhere, in some place, in some situation, in some circumstance that feels like OMG, what is that? My song's lyrics to humongous ears, Benten's ears. It's amazing, it's glamour, it's something, it's Thailand.